Good evening. This is Professor St. Rose. I hope that you're having a good night. I want to continue to encourage each of you to keep pushing forward and give me some great postings. It's been a lot of great work that's come across through the shell. Tonight, though, I'd like to talk to you about the midterm exam. The midterm exam is going to be on March 11th. The deadline date and time is March 12th at 11:59 p.m. When you log on to Blackboard, you're going to see on the left side Module 4. You're going to click on Module 4. Once you click on Module 4, you're going to see a big, bold, blue banner that says midterm exam will be available online from March 11th, 12 a.m. to March 12th, 11:59 p.m. The tests will be taken at home and not an assessment center. I know there might be some confusion because there was somewhere in the shell that said that you will be taking it at an assessment center. I assure you that you will not be. You'll be taking it at home or a library, wherever you're comfortable. Going through this particular page, there's a link for Module 4 study activities. You're going to click on it, and when you click it, you'll see some information about the midterm exam. First of all, you're going to take the exam from home again. You're required to use your textbook. Once you start the exam, you have 2 hours to complete the exam. Be sure to read the case study. I'm clicking on the case study link here, but you have two of them. You have a case study link in blue. You have one here on the bottom. You're going to click the one in blue. That's what I'm clicking. And you're going to see the case study pop up. When you look at the case study, it's 9 pages. You really need to go through it thoroughly because all 4 questions on the test are going to be tied to this case study. I'm going to go ahead and close the link now. Coming back out. After you go through the case study, there's another link below that says rubric. You're going to click on it. The rubric is what I'll be using to grade your work. For completeness, student is complete in all respects, reflects all requirements. All 4 responses are a minimum of 150 words. Very important, it has to be 150 words. If it's not 150 words, you're going to start seeing your grade fall. You're going to demonstrate a sophisticated understanding of the topic, which means that's why you need to start reading from now. Read from now, because after you read this week, next week I'll be coming out with another video to kind of go over. It's a lecture that's going to kind of tie everything together. You might also at the bottom, I'm going to skip through the middle part, but at the bottom it says writing mechanics. Students' writing demonstrates a sophisticated clarity, conciseness, and correctness, includes thorough details and relevant data and information extremely well organized. When you type out your 150 words, you'll want to take it through Microsoft Word, and then if you can, use Grammarly as well, so that your grammar is clear. Some of your thoughts might be great, but if your grammar is not clear, it might not come across as potently as you'd want it to. Also, consider using external sources, articles, student peer journals that kind of strengthen your argument, your answer. All right, I'm going to come out of this section here, and we are going to go back out to Module 4. Again, this is the midterm. At the bottom, you're going to see a link that says Module 4 Assessments. You're going to click on it. Once you click it, you're going to see the midterm pop up. And again, I have 2 spots on here that tell you the time and date that is due and the fact that you can take it at home. You're going to click on the midterm exam testing information. And at the very bottom, that's the midterm exam link right here. M4A2 midterm exam. MAN3063. You're going to click on it, and when you click it, it's going to take you to the page right before the test. On this page, it comes back to you again and tells you the time limit of 2 hours. You'll be notified when time expires. The test can be saved and resumed later, and the test is due on March 12th, 11:59 p.m. Please do not wait till the last minute to take the test, as you might run out of time. And you know, if you take it at the right time, you'll pass. All right, I have confidence in you. All right, coming back out and back to the module 4. So now we're at the end of this short video. Just want you to make sure that you read the case study and the rubric carefully from now, so that next week when I give my short lecture, it's going to connect for you. You'll be able to understand a little deeper. So keep up the fabulous work that you've been doing. Continue to send me some great posts, and I will get back to you next week.